Byron and Candace here with 𝐕𝐢𝐝. So like we said in our last video, we were going to be making some paperweight holders, brass knuckle holders for our friends down at Mac's place. So this video is going to be about that. Enjoy the video, watch it, like it, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We are making, like you saw in our last video, we are making these paperweight holders. Here's the starting of what we're doing. We have a bunch here that we're making for a company called Mac's Place down in Salt Lake City. Here's the tools you're gonna need in order to be able to make this project, as well as the custom paperweights. Stay tuned, follow along with us. On the back of these pieces, I have to make some straps so that it can go through a belt. So I am cutting these straps down. You know, and here's the thing too, this project may or may not be something that you want to tackle, but it is something that we are doing right now in the shop. So now I have all these straps, and so now I have to take these straps and I will be sewing them on the back so that you can put your belt through it. So now moving on to the process. This is the back part. We have the front part glued on. Now we need to stitch this all together. And on this one, I'm actually going to be going all the way around it and doing the stitch everywhere so that it kind of ties it all in. It's all glued together, and this is one of our last steps. So here we go. Once again, any project you're doing, you can do it by hand. Or leather supply companies have different tools so you can punch holes and then you can hand stitch this. But for this one, for us, because we're doing so many of them, we have, in this batch, we have 10. We're going to be using our sewing machine, and we actually just like using the sewing machine for us because we're always making a lot of different things. It allows us to get the stitching and stuff done faster. With our Cowboy 4500 too, I always hold both the strings in the back until I get 1 or 2 stitches in, and then I can let it go. But now I have to get my glasses so I can see. And when you do get to like a spot like this where if you can zoom in, you see that my pressure foot's going underneath that tab. I just lift it up, put it back on top instead of trying to fight with it, and I am good to go. And I can't wait to the end of the video because we're going to be going down to Mac's place and giving these to him in person. And also we'll give you guys a tour of his facility. It's actually a private facility, so not a lot of people get to see the inside of it. Should be pretty rad. You know what we need to do? We need to do a rad counter. Every time one of us says rad in a video, have it like ding in the upper corner.
I agree. The rad count.
One of the things that we do when we are finishing a project is we burnish the edges to get a clean, smooth, and shiny appearance to it. So that's what Candace is doing right now, is getting all those edges beveled and burnished. All right, now we're putting on the stopper piece that will allow these straps to kind of loop around and hold it. We just get a domed rivet and the setter, and then I just barely do one little whack to it and flatten it out, and that is ready to go. And now when that closes, this can loop around it, and then it cinches down and secures it. We are all done. Here they are. These are go. So we're heading down to Mac's place right now, down in Salt Lake City. We are driving the killer Kia. We call her LaKia. We're gonna feel the acceleration of this Kia. She's a V6. Yeah, I know. Pretty impressive. I bet all the other car guys and car gals out there are like, oh dang, a straight up V6. We're gonna beat, oh, here we go. We're gonna beat this car over here. This Lexus. Lexus is thinking they're fast, but the key is kicking in. Oh wow, the Lexus is taking it. The Lexus is taking it. The Lexus won. What the hell? This is a V6. I should have totally beat that Lexus. Dang. Good job, Lexus. Good job. So I was just thinking about this as I'm driving down to Salt Lake City. It's about a 35 minute drive down there. But I have a buddy of mine that owns a company called Rugged Mountain Aviation. And it's a helicopter company. He does search and rescue. He flies people around. Kurt, why am I having to drive all the way to Salt Lake City? Why aren't you taking me in the helicopter? I need a ride down so I don't have to do this 30-minute commute. It'd have been 3 minutes and only wasted about $2,000 in your gas. It'd have been perfect for this. But instead, here I am, driving all the way the 30 minutes. And I'm only to Bountiful. I still have another 15 minutes to go. Come on, Kurt. We need to step up the game for this YouTube channel. So we're in downtown Salt Lake. I'm not going to give the exact location, but this is a secret entrance into this club. It's pretty rad. Here we go.
Yep.
What up, my man? So in order to get into Mac's place, you have to go down the secret hallway. This is Cody, by the way. Manager down here at Mac's place.
Good morning, everyone.
Pretty sure there's probably ghosts down here. That's how creepy it is. How are you, Erica? Good.
Private club for members only, business level execs, presidents, business owners, just a little escape from the grinds. Place they can come down, get a soda, a haircut, take care of their shoes, and
How do people go about getting a membership?
typically you're if it's something you're really looking forward to, you can reach out at contact@maxplace.com.
You guys actually have to see these in person. The patina and the color on these, they're super rad. Made them these, as we've been showing you guys on our site, these handmade brass knuckle holders with custom brass knuckles. Well, thanks for watching the video, everybody. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. This week with bdiamondleather, we have kind of done a little bit of a gamma of things. We have done everything from making those brass knuckle holders for Mac's place to giving you guys a tour of Mac's place. We have got our van back on the road, so there will be videos coming up of the Violator. We're part of a vintage car club called the Unlucky Ones, and we had our chapter's 5-year anniversary, and that was pretty exciting. We should have gotten video of that. But it's been an exciting week. Once again, we appreciate everybody watching. You guys enjoyed the video. Do you have anything to add, sweetheart?
Just that it's getting cold in Utah.
It is. She's all furred up. But make sure that you subscribe to our channel, that you like this video, And actually, how many times in this video did you guys count us saying rad? Ding. Let us know. And tell us if you liked it. And also, a big shout out to our friend Cam Nilsson for doing the music that was in this video. If you liked the video, comment below. Let us know what you think. Have a rad day, everybody. Be Diamond Leather. We are out.